One popular model for online course creators is selling courses directly to businesses B2B, where a single sale can instantly bring in 50, 100, or even 1,000 new students. But after helping more than 10,000 creators build online course businesses, the thing that I see creators struggle with when they're trying to sell B2B is the technical side of how to actually properly deliver this to the employees of a business. Because you want to be able to deliver the courses in a way that's efficient, effective, and is going to keep your customers engaged. So here's the good news. I've got a simple solution that is instantly going to solve these issues and will change the way that you sell B2B forever. These different solutions that I've seen people piece together, the problem is it's some kind of either ridiculous custom enterprise type software, or it's this mess of Zapier automations where at the very least for you as a business owner, it is a complete pain to deal with. And at the best, it's something that's expensive and is a challenge for you to deliver to businesses. Honestly, I think the main barrier to entry for selling courses B2B is that most people don't know how to properly deliver it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a way that's so incredibly easy that if you're not selling B2B already, it's going to make you want to. Step one, and the part that most creators have down, is the actual sales. So in most cases, selling B2B is going to be a little bit more high touch. You're either interacting with the founder of the business or somebody who's going to be making the purchasing decision for this educational ongoing training for the employees of that business. And so it's more of a close relationship. You usually aren't going to be promoting this as much through like social media or things like that. And the good thing is you don't need some kind of crazy complex sales funnel. But what you need to be able to do is basically sell this package of however many seats that business wants to purchase and giving them an easy way to pay for that. So that is the first step, being able to have a way to sell that. It could be as simple as just a straight payment link that you send to whoever's going to make that purchase. The next step is the important part, and that is actually how to deliver this to the business. This is where most people get stuck, either in a way that prevents them from actually being able to turn this into a successful business, or in a way that makes it very difficult for them to be able to scale and grow. So the solution is really simple, and we've made it super easy for entrepreneurs to be able to do this inside Heights platform with a simple solution that we call coupon links and coupon reports. So here's what you're going to do. Let's go back to the idea of the example where we said, okay, we're going to sell this package to a business and they're going to buy it for 50 of their employees. Now we want every employee to have their own account. We don't want them all sharing a single account because we want them to be able to measure their own progress. We ideally want whoever's in charge of this ongoing education for the business to be able to understand the progress of their employees. And we want it to be easy for all of them to access so they can stay engaged. Now, I've seen every wrong way to do this, and in helping thousands and thousands of creators, I know exactly the most effective way that will get these employees the most engaged in that course that they purchase. So without a doubt, I can tell you this is the way to do it. And what you want to do is after you've sold that package of, let's say, 50 employees getting access, then you go ahead and create a coupon code inside Heights platform. And you'll set that with a redemption limit of 50 and a price of 0. So what that's going to do is allow you to use it to give access to 50 people. Now, there's a really important reason that we're using a coupon code here and that we're not doing this in a different way, because there's lots of other ways we could manage this enrollment that might sound good, but they're actually not. For example, we could just manually enter everybody's emails in the new student area and then just enroll them for the business and they'll get their login link. We could also ask the business to give us a spreadsheet of names and emails, and then we could connect that to a Google Sheet with Zapier and Heights platform, and then that would enroll everybody in the Google Sheet. And that sounds good on a surface level, but it's not going to work nearly as well as this coupon strategy. And the reason is when you're using a coupon code, you can then generate a coupon link. And this coupon link is going to have the code automatically attached to it. So nobody has to know how to copy it or write it in or remember to do that. And then you're going to simply share that link as the enrollment link with the particular company that just bought. So now when an employee goes to enroll, they're enrolling on their own. So they're typing in a password that they want to come up with. They know what that password is. They can save that in whatever kind of way they're used to saving their logins, and then you don't have to worry about all the support situations of, oh, we sent you a login. Did you remember that was a couple months ago? Or, oh, I didn't get that login email. I can't find it. Or I don't remember what my password is. Or worst case scenario, they don't even remember or know that you ever even enrolled them in this kind of content and they've completely ignored it. So because of the fact that the employee of the business is creating their own account and accessing it on their own, this is going to make sure that they are much more engaged because they know how to get there. They got in themselves the first time when they actually created this account, and that makes it a whole lot more powerful. The second reason why this is really powerful is because of our coupon reports feature in Heights platform. And it's maybe something that we're giving away too cheaply because you don't need a $500 a month, $1,000 a month software to be able to do this. You can do this in the pro plan of Heights platform, which is only $100 a month. And what this will do is give you reporting on a specific coupon. That's valuable for cases where you're actually having some kind of marketing campaign and you want to see how the coupon does. But it's also super useful in these cases where you're selling to other businesses, because that means everyone who enrolls in that coupon link, you'll be able to see this chart of when the members are enrolling, and then you can actually export a CSV with the progress of all of those members. And so that allows you to see for every single business that you're selling to, they can now receive this CSV report that shows which of their members are enrolled, when they enrolled, and what their progress is. And it makes your job a whole lot easier because now you can help the business actually understand that their employees are getting value from what you sold them. And that means that from a single Heights platform account, you can manage and serve all of your clients right there. And I've seen so many creators approach us and be so relieved that this was possible because their old solution meant not only did they have to spend more than $100 a month, but they had to buy a separate account for every single new client that they got. And having that separate account, cost aside, meant that it was this huge pain to even manage these clients because you'd have to log into every single account just to see what was going on. Using this coupon links and coupon reports feature is going to make it much easier for you to deliver the service that you want to these businesses and then not have to worry about technical issues. Then you as the creator get to focus on two things: making a great product and sales. And that's all you have to worry about. The platform handles the rest of it for you. I'm the founder of Heights platform, and as I mentioned, I've helped over 10,000 course creators. This coupon-based enrollment method has changed how creators using Heights sell B2B, and it can do the same for you. If you're ready to simplify your B2B course sales, try Heights platform for free for 30 days from the link below. There is no credit card needed. If you have questions, just leave them in the comments below. I hope that this video was helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos on how to build your online course business.